Hello, magical people. How are you all? And how is the last day of magic, which was day 28, served you? I would love to know the foundation of magic which you have created in your life and how it has changed every aspect of your life in subtle ways or in dramatic ways. I would love to hear that because I am crazily happy, but on the other note, I am a bit sad. I became a bit sad also that the book is ending and the magic in my life will disappear, is it? And you know what? Today I want to share with you that no, it's not disappearing. By doing this particular practice, guys, first of all, you should give yourself claps. Like you should be proud of yourself because there's so many things you have unlocked already. And by doing this practice is right 28 days continuous practice, you have built the foundation. Consider you are the builder of your life. How the buildings are made, like there's a foundation which is created, and then the stories are getting created one floor after the other, one floor after the other, and the building just goes up high, high, high. The best part over here is it's your life, and there is no end to the height which you can go. Literally there is no end. It completely depends on how courageous you are to imagine literally and feel that happiness that you have achieved it, even though it feels impossible. And that's how, after the foundation, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to maintain it. Obviously, when it comes to our physical body or anything, we do every day, make it a lifestyle, right? To maintain that body beat, like in a minimal way, we do certain things. And similarly, you are supposed to do the same with magical practices. Maintain it to go higher and higher, build one floor after the other until you reach the stars, that infinite stars in the galaxy where there's just no count to it. And you'll be like, oh my God, I'm really in this life. This most of the people, they do what they do is they leave it. And the worst part, when you leave it, like, don't do this, don't give importance to this, and then give importance to, oh my God, I have work to do, I have this to do, and running behind the work XYZ, and not giving importance to this, where you're transmitting the good thoughts consciously in your everyday. You're literally evaporating the magic from your life. Literally. Okay, so how you're going to continue with this foundation? This is a very beautiful hack which I'll tell you. Like 3 days in a week, this is how you're going to maintain it, and you're going to go higher and higher and build better and better future for yourself. 3 days you can do either remember the magic, which is nothing but the moment you get up in the morning, you have the smile by just getting ready and writing whatever the best thing which has happened in your previous day, the good things which has happened. That is remember the magic. And it can be a big list, it can be a small list, it can be shouting out loud and saying thank you about it, or it can be in your mind just thinking about it. To be honest, I'll tell you, trust me, okay, this happened with me. The moment the magic book got over, which was 28 days, and the next day I didn't do anything, and my energy was so low. I was just thinking about the problems, this is left, that is left. And today, consciously, I did. Thank God I read the last summary of it, what exactly it says. And when I did it in the morning, my happiness level is so good. My positivity is so good. My, I lived my desires again. And that's what you're supposed to do. Like, either remember the magic, 3 days you focus counting your blessings, whatever happened yesterday, or you can have it with combination of other magical practices like magic money, or I would say magical health, whatever areas you want to improve. This is how you'll be maintaining it. And if you're doing it 4 days a week, which is remember the magic without a doubt one day and combination of three other magical practices, you are expanding it, accelerating it along with maintaining it. And if you're doing it 5 days a week, which is remember the magic, counting your blessings, and like, the other combinations of 4 days, you are literally being a magnet and you are dramatically changing the situations, the events, the people, the uncontrollable, which is working in your favor to dramatically change your life for good. And the stories are just getting created, and you're like, oh my God, am I really worth it of so many things? And if at all you're doing it for 6 to 7 days, which is remember the magic, or like combinations of different practices of day 1 to day 28, whatever you wish to do, you are becoming the alchemist. Literally, whatever you're thinking of, whatever you're touching, you're turning every damn thing into gold. Now, this feels, no, intellect will say, is this even possible? I'll tell you what, it is. It is, because there are certain things which are beyond our intellect. We are just trained with a limited data in our mind, and there's so much more. And that will only happen if you see yourself like a child and who is just learning out of curiosity and exploring what beautiful life you can design for yourself. Okay, and like, there are certain recommendations also which Rhonda Bryan has given, which are really amazing. So in any area of your life, be it your personal desires, be it your health, be it your relationship, be it your finances, be it your career, if you're seeing that you're stuck in some area, or it is not working in the way, like, you imagine, and there is some disappointment, I would say, then you can do the magical practice for that particular area, be it if it is your health or your finances, like, for several days in a week and for several weeks, like 3 weeks for that particular area, and you'll see how it is transforming for good. And it is actually happening because I myself am the example of it. You might not see that success maybe right now, but if you research about Rhonda Bryan when she did it, right now she's the author of 9 books, and that two best-selling books. Millions of people have transformed with that, and everything happened in her life magically. That's what she says, because it's in her DNA. The Thanksgiving is in her DNA. She carefully sees each and area of her life, and wherever she feels there is lack, she doesn't move herself towards worrying about it or taking tension or thinking about now what will happen and the fears and all. She direct herself towards the magical practices, and things start happening in her life. And to do that particular practice, I'll just give you a quick, I would say, outline on which are the days which you're supposed to follow if at all you're having some problem when it comes to your relationship. It's not working in that way. Then you're supposed to do this magical practice, which is day 3, magical relationships, and then day 10, which is magic dust, everyone. Give it. And then magically heal your relationship, which is day 15. And then the magic when, this is day 24. And then the magic mirror, you have to just go and say yourself thank you in front of the mirror. And then remember the magic, which is like omnipresent in every practice. Okay, so you're supposed to do this if at all you feel that there are problems with your relationships. You know the answers, you just have to execute it, and everything will just work out magically without a doubt. Trust me on this, or change my name. And then when it comes to health, what you're supposed to do is do this magical gratitude practice, and it is so good. You might be feeling procrastinated to this practice. So when it comes to your health, I'm again telling you that your intellect will just tell you this is all bullshit because it is trained in that way, and it will overpower you. Just go beyond the intellect and just execute it without giving your brain that superpower to accept it or not, and see what happens next. So this is what you're going to do for health. Magical health practice, which is day 4. Magic dust, everyone. Again, day 10. Magic and miracles in health, which is day 16. The magical air that you breathe. And you, which is day 23, the magic when, which is day 24, and remember the magic day 28. And you don't have to do it all the practices in one day at a time. It will be done in 1 week, and you can repeat it for 2 more weeks and see the transformation in your life, literally. Then, when it comes to money, oh my God, it's such a touching topic, I would say, for everyone. So, when you want to dramatically increase the money in your life, do the magical practice, which is magic money, which is day 5, the magic, the money magnet, which is day 9, the magic check, which is day 17, the magic when, which is day 24, the magic mirror, which is day 27, and the remember the magic, which is day 28, which covers like 5 to 6 days a week. And you are going to do it for 2 more weeks, so 3 weeks, which is 21 days in total. Your money will dramatically increase. The situation, circumstances, opportunities when it comes to money will dramatically increase, to be honest. And then when it comes to your career, oh my God, so many people just feel, I don't know what to do. I don't know what skill to adopt. I don't know. I'm stuck. I don't know how to get a promotion, X, Y, Z, or I want in this company or that company, or I'm confused. If you are into all these states of fear, anxiety, or any kind of like, confusion, then career wise, you have to do works like magic, which is day 6. Magic dust, everyone, that's my favorite. Day 10, the magic when, even that is my favorite. Day 24, the magic mirror, which is day 27. And remember the magic, which is day 28. And when it comes to your desires, make all your wishes come true. And those desires can be as wild as possible, which feels impossible in this life. Even that kind of desires you can write and you can make them possible without a doubt. And obviously, you cannot put the date when it is going to be possible, but I assure you, it will. It will come to you. And for that, what you're supposed to do is magic dust everyone again, which is day 10. Make all your wishes come true. Live it, which is day 13. I did it today itself. Before your very eyes, which is day 22. The magic when, which is day 24. The magic mirror, day 27. This is my favorite. Every morning when I get up, I get ready. And before I go for office, I take or see in the front of the mirror and I'm like, kill it, boss. I'm proud of you. Thank you. All those things. Okay. And remember the magic. So by these practices, you have covered all the areas of your life. And trust me on this, you'll thank me later if you're doing it sincerely because it works like magic. And apart from that, you do that practice of magic rock. I would recommend you to have this practice, continue it as your daily ritual of your life, just the way you do your brushing, which is so important in your life. And similarly, you can do this. In fact, you can keep the magic rock in your pocket. And whenever you feel like, you want to be grateful, you can just hold that magic rock and you be grateful about things. But at night, without a doubt, I do this. I hold that rock and think about the best things which happens in my life today. And then I have a good night's sleep. And magic dust, everyone. Even that you can do it anytime. You don't have to do it only on the people you know. In fact, when you're passing by and when you're seeing someone is in with this eyebrow and very tense and just in their thoughts and really worried, you can just sprinkle that dust. In fact, when you're going to have a meeting with the manager and you see that the manager is grumpy, you can in fact sprinkle that magic dust, give him a good day, let this energy flow, and miraculously it will flow. Okay. And in many areas of your life, you can just sprinkle the magic dust as if you are a magical person. I'll tell you, by doing this, one thing has happened with me, that whoever you pray, be it like, God, goddesses, or believing in universe, your relationship with them will become so close because, universe is, they say that universe is behind us, above us, in front of us, wherever, and it is also within us. And you'll feel that genuinely universe is working really hard to give you the best possible things you want in life and you need in life more than you want in life. And you'll be so grateful, genuinely so grateful to the universe for whatever you are getting in life and however you are dealing with your life, that you'll become best friends with it and you'll attract the abundance, which is impossible for so many people in their lives. So, if you're watching this and if you really, really have seen the foundation changing your life dramatically, then be best friends forever. And this is how our magical book comes to an end. And just always be happy, magical people. Thank you so much for listening. And do like, share, comment, and share it with whoever you feel needs this. Because world will be a better place if you help others, because what you give you get back a lot in abundance in return. So yeah, don't be selfish, be selfless, help people, be happy, and enjoy the magic. Thank you so much.